Most people think shared hosting is enough, but my VPS setup proves just the opposite. I save money every single month by running my own self-managed hosting. In this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own VPS from scratch. Websites, APIs, databases, automation, everything. And here's the thing, it's way easier than you think. Let me show you something that changed how I think about hosting. When I started CV Global, I was paying for multiple hosting accounts. One for WordPress sites, another for my APIs, separate database hosting, automation services scattered everywhere. The bills added up fast. Then I discovered VPS hosting, specifically Contabo, and everything changed. Now I run everything from one powerful server. All my WordPress sites, my FastAPI backend, PostgreSQL databases, automation workflows, they all live together, managed by Coolify, which we'll set up in upcoming videos. This isn't just about being cheap, it's about having control. When my YouTube automation needed more resources, I scaled up in minutes. When I wanted to test a new Python service, I just deployed it. No waiting for support tickets or worrying about plan limits. Okay, first step. We need a server, a VPS server. Now, there are tons of options out there. DigitalOcean, Vultr, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, AWS, the list goes on. But here's what I use for all my setups, Contabo. Why Contabo? Simple. Best mix of affordability and performance I've found. Look at this pricing. For around $3.96 a month, you get 4 vCPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, and 150 GB SSD storage. That's the starting tier. I've tested multiple providers. I've run production systems on DigitalOcean. I've tried Vultr. Contabo gives you the most resources for your money. Okay, let's click Configure. Continue with Cloud VPS 10. I've selected the monthly plan. It costs me $4.95, but if you pay for 12 months, you will get it for $3.96. Region, European Union. Storage, 150 GB SSD. Image, Ubuntu. Keep everything default and enter a root password. Click Next. If you are new, continue with personal data and click Next. Add your payment details and click Finish. I already have an account, so I continue with my account and click Purchase. In a few minutes, you will see the server running here. You can give it a name if you want. I will name it as Temp Server. So our server is running, and you can get the IP address for the server. Now we can use it in our upcoming video. Next video, I will show you how to install Coolify on our server. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos.